everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited because not only is it my first video in like a month and a half, but it's 2018 and this year is going to be my year, the year of me. It's also the year of the dog, which makes me really happy because dogs are the best. As you can see, I have a little Swarovski beagle necklace. Because I'm bougie like that. Just kidding, it was a Christmas present from one of my mom's best friends and I love it. Haven't stopped wearing it since. Anywho, let's get into today's video. I'm going to be doing a full face of products that beauty gurus, YouTubers, whatever you want to call them, made me buy. There is one product I do not have, and that is a primer, because yesterday when I went to go get some other products I was missing, I forgot primer. Don't know how you forget primer when it's literally on your list, but I did. But today I'm just gonna go in with the primer I would use. Also, I will say before I move on, this is my third time filming this video. No joke. I guess third time really is the charm. It was Nicole Concilio. I remember it was the first video I watched of her. She put concealer on her eyes as her eye primer, and I was like, what are you doing, girl? Then I did it. And I haven't used an eye primer since. It's just so nice. This is the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer, and I am in shade Light Ivory. It looks like that. Also, this year, I definitely plan on, like, doing a lot more videos. Okay, I guess that's a New Year's resolution for me, is filming more YouTube videos, hopefully weekly. But it is my senior year of high school, and I don't know what that's gonna look like for the next 6 months, so we'll see how it goes, guys. You all know what brushes I use. I will list them down below if you are curious. I'm just not gonna list them off because that's not really the point of today's video. Not really. This next product that I'm gonna use just to set the concealer on my eyes is recommended by, well, the creator herself, Miss Laura Lee. I'm going to go in with the Okie Dokie color from her Cat's Pajamas palette. My second YouTube video was a review on this palette and I love it so much. I literally use it every day, at least the Okie Dokie color, if not more. I'm actually going to be using Bomb Diggity as my transition shade, because why not? Next, I'm going to dip into my favorite palette of all time. I'm sorry, Cat's Pajamas, this palette just has so much more. But this is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I actually got this back in like August, September, around there. And I wanted my first YouTube video to be on it. But as I'm sure if you go back, my first YouTube video wasn't filmed until like late October. I'm going to dip into this like burnt yellow, orangey color. And just work that on my outer corner. Just a little bit. We're just gonna layer a whole bunch of color. Wow, that's so yellow. You see that? Going to dip into this like burnt brick red orange color right here. Okay, now that I have plenty of concealer on the inner corner of my eyes, probably almost too much, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's kind of got like some pink gold orangey tones to it, and yeah, I feel like it'll go good with my look of today. Okay, I lied. There was another product I do not have, which is an eyeliner. That though is because I usually don't use eyeliner. The person who really influenced me to get this is my brow gal. I don't know why I said that, who I actually met first at Sephora, is the Make Up Forever Matte Velvet Plus Foundation in the shade 25. So yeah. Hello, say hello to my little friend. Also, there's Unicorn Frappuccino right there, next to the pineapple, next to a picture of me and my dog. Next step. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Why am I showing you the box? It's Tarte It's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's like super nice. Like, ah, oh, look at it. And it's really big. It's bigger than I thought it would be, see? But, yeah, and I got it in the color Fair. It's the lightest color. Right. This wand is like literally as big as my eyeball. What the heck? Either I have a tiny eyeball or this is just a ginormous one. It's like a tiny bit on the end. This product is recommended by Laura Lee and like all the other beauty YouTubers, of course. But she is the one who officially made me be like, Ruthie, go buy the darn concealer. Yeah, football! Go Patriots! Okay, that's a really nice concealer. What? I'm going in with my Laura Mercier A translucent setting powder. This is the mini version to like dab my setting spray in. This is recommended by Laura Lee and Manny MUA. I'm going to be using my Morphe Y3. This is a brush, powder brush recommended by Laura Lee. She uses it often for her setting powders, so going in with that. I promise I look like a normal, fair, colored ivory child. That's a thing now. Alright, next we are going in with a little bit of contour. It was finally Tati who convinced me that I should get it, and it is the KKW Beauty Highlight and Contour Powder Kit. I'm in the shade Light. I love it's upside down. I love Kim Kardashian so much. She is a beauty queen. This has now become a part of my everyday routine and I love it so much. I'm going to take my Morphe Y10. This is also a new brush for me. This is their detail contour brush. I actually thought it was going to be a lot smaller because, you know, detail, but it actually works for my nose. I just do a little bit. Just because I like feeling snatched, as Sister James would say. Also, I gotta say, look at my nose now. Now what's poppin', y'all? What's good, y'all? I'm in the hood. I don't know if this is like, offensive. I'm sorry. My next product is the Milani Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. This blush is recommended by Nikki Tutorials, her fabulous self. Next is highlighter. I'm actually going to be using a mix of the KKW Beauty Contour Powder Kit with the highlight. One of the highlights in there. I'm also going to be using my Ofra highlighter in Beverly Hills. As you can see, I don't use these two colors very much. They're way too dark for me. But the champagne and the white and the pink are my favorite. This product is recommended by Nikki Tutorials. She did do a collab with them. She has 3 highlighters and a liquid lipstick, I believe. I'm just gonna go ba-bam! Or as Lightning McQueen would say, ka-chow! I'm going in with the champagne-y color in the KKW Beauty Kit thing. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade 3. It looks like this. This is a product recommended by Laura Lee Los Angeles. She was actually their ambassador at Sephora. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I got this because this James Charles made me buy because he uses it all the time. It's also less than half the price of the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Last but not least, I actually have 2 mascaras I'm going to be trying today. I'm going to be doing one on the top and one on the bottom. Tati Westbrook, also known as Glam Life Guru, recommended the Lash Paradise mascara. I'm going to be using this on my top lashes. And then this is recommendation of Laura Lee. This is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. This is the Gigi Hadid collaboration. It is one of their regular mascaras, but this is her collaboration thing. I think I found a new favorite mascara. Maybe. Probably. Okay guys, so I finished with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and wow. Like, get this. Get the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to my bottom lashes with the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid Lash Sensational. The reason why I wanted to do this one on the bottom lashes is because it has this like curved angle brush. So we'll see how this treats me. I'm a little scared. It's very wet looking. Okay. I can't wait to see what this does on my top lashes. Because if it does that to my bottom, my top are gonna look fly. But right now, I'm loving the Lash Paradise on the top. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know that was a little weird, but that's okay because that's who I am. That's my personality. Please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell if you want to know when my next video comes out ASAP. Also leave a comment down below on what one of your New Year's resolution was so I can get some ideas and maybe make a few of my own. I can't talk. That's okay. And I guess I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. All I do is win, no matter what. I got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step within the building, everybody's hands go up. And they say there, and they say there, and they say up, down, up, down, up, down. 'Cause all I do is win, 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 win. All I do is win. Dab it out. Subscribe.